how to add the crypto or cryptos to your watch list on CoinMarketCap app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add cryptos to your watch list easy and fast. So first thing, go to the app. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go down and choose the settings option, or you can go to the price from here. Easy. Click on prices and it will take you to this page. Now right here there is all the cryptos, and this is my watch list. As you can see, there is no crypto on it. If you want to add the crypto to it, all what you have to do is choose the crypto that you want and click on this star right here. Click on the star and it's added to my watch list. As you can see, very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.